overgrown eyebrows, a fresh crop on your upper lips, or fuzzy cheeks are just some of the problems that you may want taken care of. But instead of risking the outside world, just dip into our pool of home remedies and we will show you the best way to escape each of these hairy situations. This instant and easy method is something we've all tried, but going overboard and plucking too many hair can help you end up with uneven brows. What you need is a controlled guide so you only pluck out as many strands as necessary. Start by filling in your brows as you normally would. This will give you a definite shape to work around. Take a clean pair of tweezers and pluck out the hair outside your outline. The plucking method is best for your eyebrows as their shape is very defined and the hair is quite dark. We would not recommend trying to pluck out your upper lip hair as that could cause ingrown hair or dark spots. Here's a method that you can use on your entire face. Let's talk about shaving. First, let's bust some myths. Your hair is not going to turn thicker or darker, your skin will not turn dark, and neither will you suddenly grow a beard. Let's break the stigma around face shaving for women and get right into it. Here's what you'll need: one facial razor and a cream-based cleanser. Start by wetting your face with room temperature water and apply the cream cleanser on your cheeks. Take your clean facial razor and start shaving in upward directions on your cheeks. Next, go over your chin and upper lip area gently. Keep your skin stretched tight while you do this to avoid cuts and to get a smooth finish. By going upwards, not only do you remove hair, you also remove dead skin cells, revealing clean and glowing skin underneath. Once you're done, wash your face with room temperature water and apply a moisturizer to prevent your skin from drying out. For every Indian girl watching this, we don't need a dictionary definition of it. We have all seen it. But how many of us have actually threaded ourselves at home? Not a lot, I'm guessing. Don't freak out. I'm going to walk you through the process of threading. All you need is a pure cotton thread. Take 15 to 20 inches of the thread and tie it to form a loop. Now fold this over itself until the coil is about an inch long. You should be able to move this coil left to right in your hands. This action is what causes the hair to be pulled out. Only pluck out the extra hair and don't get carried away. Start threading your hair in the opposite direction to its growth. Remember to keep your skin tight while you do this. This long-lasting method of hair removal will keep you fuss-free for weeks. You may have used wax strips for your body before and it must have worked just fine, but have you thought of using wax strips for your face? Make sure you pick up the ones that are specifically meant for the face. They are extremely gentle and don't cause any adverse reaction. However, it is advisable to do a patch test on your jawline before you apply them all over the face. Always start with a clean and dry face. Remember to warm the wax strips with your hands and to pull in the direction opposite of your hair growth. For your eyebrows, you can cut the wax strips around in a way that your shape remains intact. You've probably seen these satisfying videos floating around online. Here's what they use: peelable wax. For everyone that's still afraid to explore facial hair removal, this method contains no strips or razors. All you need to do is heat, melt the wax, and start facial hair eradication. It's advisable to use wooden sticks to make this process easier. Precisely apply this around your eyebrows to maintain their shape and pull this in the direction opposite of their hair growth. Follow the same for your cheeks, upper lips, or forehead. That's all. No hair and no mess either. So here was the glamorous list of every facial hair removal method that you can try at home. Let us know in the comments below which one of these you will be trying. Happy hair removal, and until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.